some 蛋饼店 or something. Yeah, this is what the interior looks like. Yeah, this is the milk tea, so they are making the food. I ordered some 蛋饼, Youtiao, something like that. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, this will be our 蛋饼 Youtiao. Looks good. Let's eat, man. Yeah, this is what the interior looks like. Some vegetable, egg, and a Youtiao wrapped in some kind of prata kind of thing. Yeah, very delicious, very sweet and salty. Oh, steaming, man, very hot. We're nearing the prison. This is the prison walls. So now we're at the Chiayi old prison, I think. Well, forgive me for not doing like this kind of face shots because I find it very difficult to do with this camera. I only brought this camera out with me for breakfast, and yeah, after breakfast I'll go back to my hotel because I think they are cleaning the room now, so I just visit this place first with this camera. So yeah, I'll just do fun shots for the time being. Hey, by the entrance, let's go in and see what it looks like. Oh, is this what the boss seat looks like? Oh, so that was the warden's office. So yeah, this is the hallway that the prisoners go through, I think. Oh, another interesting hallway. Oh, this is the old gear used last time to keep the prisoners in check, I think. You can see certain letters being burned in. I guess it's a CCTV footage or something because it shows the timing and all that. That means yeah, it must be mainly used to watch the prisoners. Yeah, this is the map of the prison. Oh, this is the what you call that, model of the whole prison. So I think we entered from this white color place, and then I think we are now at this center area. Because how I know that, because I can see like 3 different pathways. I think this must be the cells, man. Oh, I just noticed there's an altar above the main hall of the prison. So apparently every single row of cell rooms have a name. We are now at the Braveness row of cells. There is also Benevelence and Wisdom. I think this is the Benevolence cell. Yeah, Infinite Darkness. There seems to be an animal there. I think it's some kind of bird. This is the wisdom row of prison cells. Let's go. Oh, this is what a prison cell looks like. A toilet bowl and probably a place to sleep over here. Pretty gloomy area. Sun looks a little bit different. They have wooden planks as the floor instead. The end of the light, the tunnel symbolizes hope, man, I feel. Sun is, I anyhow say one. I realized that every single cell they have a hole here, man. Maybe it's to give something to the prisoner. Oh, what is this? Why is this room so small only? Is this a shared toilet or something? Yeah, it's only a toilet and a sink inside. So yeah, this hole is this big enough to fit my camera in. Yeah, they're cutting the grass. Someone is cutting the grass in front. Oh, even outside they have numbers indicating the prisoner's number. I mean, sorry, the cell number. I guess not prison number. So yeah, now there's another building right beside it. Let's go check out what's inside this building. Oh, what is this? This looks like a public bath or something. Nah, I think it's a shower area. As you can see, some shower heads inside. Kind of feeling. Yeah. Okay, we are now outside the 第二工厂 factory number 2. Let's see what do we have inside there. Well, it's hard to believe that prisoners in the past make artistic stuff kind of thing, you know. It's hard to believe that any of this is made by the prisoners. Obviously, they want the prisoners to do something that to make money, right? I guess. Well, I realized that every single art in this, like this part, has the key, you know, like this key thingy that is featured, that is used in, not featured, it is used in all of them. 铁心, heart of steel, 重生, rebirth, yeah. Then we have this part. This use another part of the log, I think. This, you know, this small pieces of metal. Interesting. Yeah, reflection is destroying it, but yeah, not bad. And finally, we have the section that is like unrelated to prisons, I think. Pretty hopeful arts, hopeful piece of arts. Yeah. The outside area, I realized that they have like, you know, this kind of random structures around. I don't know what it means, but I wonder if it's built by the prisoners, but I highly doubt it. Why would the prisoners want to build this, man? And they have one over there as well. I wonder what it stands for. Yeah. Man, but the tree, shape of the tree looks really nice though. Let's go to the room beside the factory number 2. I guess we have the toilet bowl beside the factory. Yeah, looks like more arts over here. What is this? 高雄少年. I think this is the juvenile prison of Kaohsiung, I think. Okay, so now it mainly shows the buildings of other prison and some schools kind of thing. So yeah, mostly unrelated to this prison. Oh, so there was a time to the law passed to replace the word Taiwan with the Agency of Correction. That's why all the plates of the prisons were returned and showcased here. Very cool. 72, but I don't think there's 72 here. Yeah. I guess those hang the pillars of this building are also those that were replaced. Actually, it hang on almost every single pillar in this building. Yeah. Honestly though, I wonder if it's safe for them to be displaying the architecture of their prison in, you know, miniature models. Wouldn't it lead to a jailbreak, that kind of thing? Yeah. Let's see what do we have outside here. Okay, that was the number 1 factory, 第一工厂. To the left is number 2 factory. So let's see what do we have here. We have a lot of these miniature stone structures again. Wow, a very nice tree again. Yeah, bridge under the tree, cool. There's also some kind of miniature temple here. Very nice. Another miniature building of something and a dragon spitting water in the center. Cool. Let's check out to the left of this dragon fountain. This is the main building that we were in just now. Let's check out to the left of the main building. What do we have here? Check out this something 羽冠. I don't really know how to read the word, but yeah. Let's check it out. Now it's more prison room, but the structure is a bit different. Toilet bowl seems to be on the left rather than the right side. Yeah, this is the structure. Let's go in further and see. Oh, what is this? You can take photo here to become a prison or warden. Yeah, let's see what this all this information say. Hey, here it says that a prison should arrange entertainment for its inmates, but what got the lantern do with the inmate, man? I don't really understand. Yeah. These are the things that they make in the different prisons, I guess. I think the factory makes this stuff. What? Egg rolls, noodles, chocolate, that kind of thing. Yeah, interesting. We have here, we actually have a visitation room where you can use the phone here to talk to the people at the other side. I wonder if it still works, man. Oh, feels legit. Yeah, I mean the only way to find out is to have someone at the other side to try. Interesting. So someone is gonna give it a try. Let's see. Oh, these are the tools used by the prison last time. With the camera, old camera, and a film player, I think. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, many other tools, but I don't think it's that interesting. This is the clinical tools, but yeah, it doesn't look like it, man. Yeah, when you probably the camera is used to take a photo when you enter the prison on this spot. So I find that the prison is very informative and yeah, really shows you a life of how the prisoners live here. And the staff are very helpful. So if you approach them, they are I think quite open to explain to you what is going on. But I think it's in Chinese only lah. So yeah, well definitely visit here if you visit Chiayi. It's free anyways. So yeah. Okay, so this 100+ years prison built in the Japanese colonial era has turned into a beautiful museum. So yeah, this is it for me at Chiayi Old Prison Museum. Time to go.